Swedish Army can opener. Notice the three crowns that are stamped on the can opener that are the symbol of the Swedish Army. The opener is made of steel, unlike the P51 and the P38, which are made of aluminum. And it works quite well. The blade is folding. There's a hole for a lanyard. Works pretty well. These were issued to Swedish soldiers as part of their processed food kits. Their yellow tins, the golden cans, the golden tins that the Swedish Army used, and these work very well. The blade is carbon steel. It's got that black bluing, you know, sort of tempered look. The blade itself is steel. I don't know if it's stainless steel. I have seen some that rust very slightly, so I can't call it stainless steel, but it's very rust resistant steel. Good stuff. Swedes don't fool around. Simple, elegant, it works.